Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In today's video, I'll do the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Poco X3 Pro device by using the 4G data and using the 90 FPS gameplay. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, friends. So during this time, I'll try to even concentrate on the temperatures. So how much higher the temperatures are actually increasing in the Poco X3 Pro device. So right now I'm trying to use the 4G SIM, as you can see, friends, exactly, which is a Geo 4G right now at this moment. And let me try to start the stopwatch as well, because right now the battery is of exactly 100%. And during this time, I'll try to use the brightness of close to 70%. That should be kind of good. And let me try to show you the temperature, so much in the meter it's showing. It's about 35.9 degrees. It's showing in the beginning. And outside the temperatures, if you try to measure, it's of kind of close to 29.2 outside. As you can see, friends, 30.6. And there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. It's only normal fan. And right now the temperature, as you can see on the table, it's of close to 27 degrees. And phone is 29 degrees, as you can see exactly. These are the readings which I was just showing you. And is the exact graphic settings which I'm trying to use 90 FPS in the beginning of the test. As you can see, friends, I'll try to do the team deathmatch for some time, and let's see how much the battery will be draining during this time of demonstration, and how is the FPS is also maintaining. That's also another thing. So in case if you want me to do classic match, let me know in the comment section below what are the other maps you want me to try. So definitely I try to try those kind of maps as soon as possible. But meanwhile, let's focus on the team deathmatch, how much the FPS will be maintaining and how much higher the temperatures can actually increase during this process of testing. That is what I'm going to exactly check. Right now it dropped up to 70 FPS, but the stopwatch has been started continuously. As you can see, it's exactly. I'll try to play the game non-stop. So for about 15 minutes I'll try to, and I'll try to come back and show you exactly the readings as well. What will be the temperatures? Right now I'm trying to play the game with the 90 FPS only during this process. 88 FPS, not bad. Let me try to keep this little kind of volume during this time gameplay, just only a little bit, but not much. So 90 FPS we're getting. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are other videos you want me to compare on, do the testing on Poco X3 Pro device. Definitely I'll try to do this kind of videos as soon as possible. So I'm going to be back after 15 minutes of continuously playing the game, so then we'll be able to understand a bit kind of more how is the gameplay and everything. And the ping is also really good. It was exactly stable around 52 milliseconds, not an issue regarding the ping values. So no problem with the ping value as well during this process of demonstration. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of So right now, as you can see, when playing for about close to 5 minutes of time, the temperature in the FPS monitor, you can see it's increased up to 46.8 degrees in the FPS monitor. And in the temperature readings, we're getting about 37 degrees on the thermometer, as you can see, 37 degrees. But inside it's detecting about close to 46.7 degrees. I just thought of showing you. So these are the readings. So overall the FPS was able to maintain really good during this process of demonstration. So no problems at all. But the temperatures, you can see inside the FPS meter is increasing up to 47 degrees. And now let's do one thing. I'll try to show you even the settings option. I forgot to show that first. So let's go to the battery. And in the battery segment, we are seeing about 36 degrees. As you can see in the battery segment, here is showing 46 degrees. That's the one thing which I was just showing you what's happening at this moment. And outside it's detecting about close to 38 and 36, sometimes 37 as well, not bad. And battery percentage at this moment is 99%. So again, I'll be back after some time. Again, I'm playing a couple of team death matches. This is my second match which I'm planning to play at this moment. So just now I did finish the second game of gameplay as well, and right now it's kind of 11 minutes of time. Let me show you the temperatures in the settings, what is exactly happening in the battery. Right now it's increased to 39 degrees, as you can see, 39 degrees exactly when I'm trying to play the game. And let me check the outside temperature is of 37, it's detecting 38.6 it's detecting, as you can see 38.6 it's showing on the outside. Let's see friends how much higher the temperatures can actually increase, and in the FPS monitor is showing about close to I think 47.8 degrees in the FPS monitor. So in the battery settings we are saying 39 degrees it increased, and let's see again I'll be back after 50 minutes and the battery dropped up to 95% using with the 90 FPS gaming friends. 90 FPS, this is only possible by using the config file only. This is not official update, only using config file. So once we get the official also, then we'll be able to know it better more how is the performance going to handle in this phone. As you can see friends, right now the time is about 17 minutes of time exactly, and the battery dropped to 93% in the 17 minutes of time, and the temperature reached out to 50 degrees is showing in the FPS graph. Let me try to check immediately in the settings option how much it's showing in the battery and the performance. It's showing about 40 degrees, as you can see friends, 40 degrees after 17 minutes of time only. I'm trying to play using the 4G data connection, and let's start the test again next match. And outside showing 40.2 degrees, as you can see 40.2 degrees on the outside as well. As you can see friends, exactly on the outside 40.2 degrees. So this for the first 17 minutes of gaming only using 90 FPS and the team deathmatch, and I'm playing only team deathmatch continuously just for 30 minutes. I just want to see how much higher the temperatures can actually reach. So without even leaving the phone, I'm trying to play friends non-stop, because this will give the clear idea what is going on as well with the device and how is the device functional. And during this time I did not have any kind of higher ping values. That's fantastic. I did have very low ping values as well. That's very good to see low ping values in this Poco X3 Pro device using the 4G connection. So right now it's off fourth match I did play the game, so team that match, and right now the temperature increased up to 51 degrees, 51.5 it's showing in the FPS monitor. Let's see what is the battery percentage. Showing 41 degrees, as you can see in the battery, 41 degrees for the first 23 minutes of gaming using the 90 FPS. So 90 FPS, obviously friends, it will definitely generate a lot of heat in the phone. That's another thing you should definitely concern when you're trying to play in the 90 FPS, and this is the config file as well. So I'll definitely not advise you to play with the config file, because this may definitely get a ban of your account. So make sure to try only in normal account. So right now the time is about 23 minutes and the battery dropped up to 90% in 23 minutes of gameplay. As you can see, 90%. And overall, let me try to check the temperatures on the back side. It's of 34 degrees, 35 degrees, 36 degrees, 35. Front side 38.6, 37 degrees. It's showing somewhere around that. Temperatures not bad. But this will definitely give you the clear idea what is going on with the Poco X3 Pro device in terms of the gameplay and FPS count as well. I'm just trying to keep the FPS so that you can actually see which will be really visible for you to see the real-time FPS as well during this gameplay. As you can see friends, overall it was really good to play, not an issue. This is another intense kind of testing friends, and right now 51 degrees it's showing in the FPS meter. And let's check in the settings how much it can be there in the settings. Battery and the 41 degrees, it's still showing the 41 degrees. As you can see, I think the maximum it can actually reach maybe 41 degrees, I think so. Till now it did not cross above 41 degrees during this process of demonstration at this moment. And right now I'm trying to play continuously for 27 minutes of time. So within 3 minutes I'll try to end up this video. And overall my experience was really good playing this team deathmatch. I did not feel any kind of lag or any kind of much problems in the Poco X3 Pro. To be frank, it was able to handle very good. But the thing is that the classic match is another question. Bootcamp and Sanak map, the consistency is not that good. I do know it's a kind of config file only. Definitely once we get the official stable update, then we may get the we may get the really stable one maybe once we get the official 1.6 version maybe. So hopefully, let's see friends. I think this will be my last match in the Poco X3 Pro today, playing at 90 FPS, and for the 30 minutes it will definitely reach. So in this way, we'll be able to calculate how many hours we can actually play in using the 90 FPS. Finally, we're done with the 30 minutes of gameplay continuously. As you can see, battery dropped to 86% exactly during this time of testing, as you can see friends, exactly, and temperature increased to 41 degrees, the highest recorded so far. So in the Poco X3 Pro device, 41 degrees the highest temperature in this device, as you can see friends, exactly. Continuously playing with the 90 FPS in the Poco X3 Pro with the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and these are the results which we got and using the 4G data as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you are interested in this kind of videos, make sure to let me know in the comment section below what are other phones you want me to do. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.